No weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. This no weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. This no weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov.
One eternity later.
So 14.8 feet on April 9th, 1997. The National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota has just activated the warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. Very dangerous weather situations. These specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests for these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If zero weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for select watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming.